Hey y'all, so we tried to do a live the other day. My friend Tessa's laughing at me because I all of a sudden got my, what do you call that, commercial voice on?
Yeah.
So we tried to do a live the other day. Well, it was just me, Tess wasn't involved, but there was a deer in the background and it was raining and it had terrible service. And you guys didn't get to see it because the video cut short, and I sat there and waited and waited and waited probably 5 minutes for the service to kick back on, but it did not. And I'm really sorry about that. Y'all got like a little very short clip of what I was doing, and there was just the rainstorm was starting and there was a deer in the background, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple things. But right now we are on a day off tomorrow. We got off early today, and my friend Tessa is here with me, so I'm going to show y'all her in a second. She is a beautiful lady, and she very much so outdoes me. But we are at Carrabba's, and we are enjoying a day off and eating our chicken noodle soup and our chicken breast and zucchini french fries and all of this good stuff that is delicious. And my pasta is waiting for me to finish it. I think I have 2 shrimp left and maybe some scraps and some sangria. And here is Tessa. This is my girl Tessa, y'all. So we are, for y'all who don't know and for y'all who do know, some people know, some people do not, but it is very much so a secret, and I am not allowed to indulge on where I am right now,
So hush hush.
or who I'm with. So if y'all don't mind, I saw a couple of y'all sharing it on Facebook and things like that, but please keep it a secret, because whether y'all believe it or not, it hurts us more than it hurts anything else, and we really like to keep these things under wraps until the show airs. So when the show airs, free will to all, and y'all share and post and do whatever y'all want to do. But until then, please keep it under your wing, and we will keep it under our wing until time is right. But as of now, y'all, my Facebook just alerted me that Cheyenne Pickle Wheat is live, believe it or not.
What?
What?
Who is this girl?
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? What's going on? Hey Pickle, please pray for my family. I'm sorry, Mr. Scott. Sorry to hear that. Mr. Scott Emmerich. Y'all please send some prayers for Mr. Scott Emmerich. He needs some his way. His family's having a little hard time. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? What's going on, Mr. Roger Shaw? Ontario, Canada. Tessa. Ontario, Canada. Y'all say hello to Miss Tessa. Hello, gorgeous. Hope you're having a great day. I am Mr. Charles Adams. Thank you very much. Aww.
So much.
Robin, hi, gorgeous. What's going on? Chris Baxter. Hey, beautiful, from White Springs, Florida. What's going on, Mr. Chris? How you doing?
Florida boy.
Miss Tessa is from Tampa, right?
Tampa, Florida.
Yeah. We just sitting here enjoying some sangria, and we wanted to say hey to y'all because I know y'all missed out on a live the other day. I tried, but the service was terrible, and I lost y'all, and I was really sad about that. So I wanted to jump on here. I was gonna jump on tomorrow, but figured why not go a little early and do it today, y'all. Do it today. So this sangria at Carrabba's is delicious, and I'm enjoying it very much. And so is Miss Tessa. She got hers, and we got us a little pitcher right here. We're gonna finish this up, and then we're gonna go home to our hotel room, and we're gonna miss our families, and we're gonna cry a little bit probably.
Our dogs mostly.
Our dogs mostly. More than our families. We miss our dogs, y'all, believe it or not. But
4:30.
We are yes, very much so missing our families. I'm gonna set this phone up right here, and maybe we can do. Y'all, some pretty ladies. I know she's beautiful, isn't she, Miss? Who is that? Mr. Ryan Hall. Thank you very much. She is a gorgeous woman. She is very much so prettier than I am. God. Mr. Ronnie Proman. Hello, ladies. Have a great weekend. We are enjoying ourselves. We take our days off very seriously because we don't get many. We get one day off a week, and that is it. And we try to enjoy it as best as we can.
We are here for this day
There
off.
she is. Ronnie.
She works hard for the money.
She works hard for the money. Hey, Pickle Eastern Pennsylvania. What's going on, Pennsylvania? How y'all doing? Mr. Robert Lowry. Hello, Miss Pickle. Hope you're having fun. Yes, we are. We're enjoying our day off very much so. Michael Bowers. Hey, I know. It's kind of like trying to hold it back. They are constantly yelling at me about my hair being in my food. Y'all that are listening, y'all the ones that yell at me for my hair being in my food, especially when I'm eating crawfish because I'm eating and I do this.
But you don't pull back? You don't pull back?
Well, sometimes I pull back, but sometimes I don't, I have it in a ponytail or whatever, but last time it was down. By the way, y'all who are looking for another wheat karaoke special, I will be doing that as soon as I get back in town, because I know if y'all been following my lives and following my Facebook and everything, following the green, y'all have noticed that I've been missing my family. And somebody made a beautiful comment about that the other day, and I wanted to touch on that. Yes, I am not myself, because who am I without my family? And I miss them very much. And when I get back, we will surely be doing a wheat custom karaoke, like y'all like to call it. The crawfish karaoke. Hopefully they're still in season when I get back, because I'm craving. But, yeah, y'all stay tuned for that, and I have a lot of videos up and coming as soon as we get the okay to post this crazy footage that we've been getting out here, wherever we are in this remote location. Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? Lord have mercy, you're gorgeous. I like the gorgeous. That's how we say that shit down here, too.
You gotta drag it out. You gotta say gorgeous.
Yeah, you gotta say gorgeous. G-A-W.
Drag it out, gorgeous.
J-U-S. Come on. What's up, Braham?
What's up?
He said, a couple of howdies out. Howdies.
Howdies.
Couple of hotties out for a good night. Yeah, we're about to go to bed, to be honest with you. It's about to be a good night.
I call my name.
Thank y'all so much. We appreciate all the love and following y'all. Y'all are amazing. Hello, beautiful ladies from New Jersey. What's going on, Mark Crayon? Did I say that right? Mark Crayon. How you doing, babe? Hey, Nana. What's going on, Nana? Yeah, get the hair out your face.
You have one. I almost swear
it is what it is. If you know what, Nana, you grew up in the 60s and the 70s. Come on, Nana. Like, you had the hair, you had the hair.
Good, by the way.
Mine's wet, and it's just kind of staying out of my face, you know what I'm saying? But thanks, Nana. I'll keep the hair out of my face. I miss you. Who's your friend? Her name is Tessa.
Tess.
And she is.
Tess.
Oh, it's Tess. Sorry.
Tessa.
Her name is Tess, and she is a beautiful lady, and she is a co-star of mine on a new show we're doing. We are out here filming in a very remote location where we do not have much service, but when we do, we get chances to sneak away and go and do things like this and eat shrimp pasta and really great chicken breast and zucchini fries and sangria. So we are enjoying every second that we get off. But yes, she is a co-star of mine. She is very beautiful, and y'all stay tuned on the History Channel. We will be popping up shortly. So I love you guys and thank all you guys for tuning in. And yeah, y'all follow the grain and stay tuned. Y'all